So what are data types? In programming, data types define what kind of information a variable can store. This data helps the computer understand and work with the stored data. But for now, our main focus will be on four basic data types: string, integer, float, and true-false. The first one is an integer. Short for int. Integers are whole numbers without any decimal points. They can be positive, negative, or even zero. For example, you might be asking for a person's age. So we'll have a variable name, age, an equal sign, and let's guess his age is 25, so our value would be 25. Or let's say you are recording the total sales of your company, so our variable would be total sales, equal sign, and with value 8 underscore 543 underscore 216, we use underscore to add space in Python. Let's run these two variables. You can also write numbers without an underscore, which is too acceptable, but it is not suggested. The second data type is float. Floats are numbers with decimal points. For example, game score. You're playing a video game and your score is 25.5 points. Or checking the current temperature. Current underscore temperature equal sign 23.5. Floats help keep track of precise points like this. Third, we have data type string. Strings are nothing but sequences of characters, basically text, and these texts are enclosed in single or double quotes. For example, secret underscore message. In Python, we use underscore for space. Robot underscore instructions. Move forward 5 steps, turn left 90 degrees. Even though we have a number in this text, anything closed, single or double quotes, is string. And at last, we got Boolean. Booleans represent binary states. They can be either true or false. Imagine a light switch. We can have a light switch on, true, or light switch off, false. And also remember to write T and F in the capital. Now you know the four most basic data types: integer short for int, float, string short for star, and Boolean short for bool. Now, to make you understand why is data type important, imagine this scenario from the office show. Think of data types like different departments. Picture the sales team as integer, the accounting team as string, and the IT department as booleans. The sales team, which is integer, is very good with numbers and keeps track of things like sales figures and quotas. But they can't do everything, like writing reports or generating invoices. For tasks involving text, we need the accounting team, which is a string. They are very good at manipulating and structuring words and sentences. But just like the sales team, the accounting team has its own strengths and limitations. And at last, booleans in Python, bool, helps us figure out if statements are true or false and helps with logical operations. It's all about making choices in our code. To summarize, in code involving text, we consult the accounting department. For numbers, we turn to the sales department. And when dealing with true-false values, we rely on the IT department. That's it for this video. If you didn't understand, don't worry, because as you learn more, you will get better at it. On the next slide, I have 3 questions for you to solve, and you can find the solutions in the description. If you have any suggestions or complaints, please share your views in the comments so I can improve in my next video. Thanks and goodbye, happy coding.